You're most welcome to my channel. Please make sure that you watch this video till the end.
You will need to watch this video till end so that you can know everything what happened in this video and to know more tips which I am trying to fulfill all the needs. Guys, my IC are approaching, which is internal assessment, and in this video I will share how I manage my time with busy schedules like to commute to college, come back and write notes. If you really want to support this channel, don't forget to subscribe and join Puriverse family.
And it was the first time I had something in the canteen. Usually I take tiffin, and this is the environment while I was coming back. It was too crowded today. And then I reached home और फिर आज मुझे कंप्लीट करना था दी stocks notes, which is basically researching and all, so it usually takes a lot of time. And this is me at the college. Today the environment was gloomy and it looked like this. At the start I started to complete the notes of stock market, and then in between I took a small break where I had chips today, after which we need to get back to the work, which is to complete the notes of the other subject. I need to write these definitions और फिर ये लिखने के लिए मुझे I know it will take some time. I know it's regretful because it consumes a lot of time while writing all this, but I don't have any option. And let's complete it. I will take little stationery, which is pen, pencil, ruler and a black pen. This is my everyday work, and the biggest problem that I have I will share with you right now. Let's start writing this. Okay, so whenever I try to learn something directly from the phone which has PDF, sometimes our teacher sends us PDF, right? And at that point of time I am not able to retain it properly. मुझे इतनी आदत हो गई of handwritten notes that whenever I need to learn something I should write this on a notebook or a paper, वरना मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. Even in class 12th when our sir sent us all the PDF notes for business studies, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा problem हो गई थी to study everything during the boards. Even though I revised it so many times, it was so difficult for me because all the notes were on a printed paper. And yes, finally I'm done with this work. There was so many notes. This is PPM, basically similar to the business studies. Next day, here the fun part is I literally found an aesthetic picture which is similar to the classroom of mine. Here I need to complete the constitutional work, so I will be doing it. I won't record it because it will be becoming so boring, so I will write it by myself.
Our IC1 is fully written, so it will be basically of 10 to 20 marks, mostly 20 marks होंगे, and IC2 will be all presentation assignments. So because of it I need to prepare for IC1 now, and before it I need to write notes so that I can start learning from those notes. The only thing that scares me now is about the notes I write, because I prefer Google and sometimes ChatGPT to write the notes, and I decided to learn those only, and only after IC1 I will get to know कि ये आइडिया अच्छा था या नहीं, because I have to see the type of questions they ask. I hope so they will be giving us revision test before the IC so that I will have some idea and I can improvise there.
And here is the surprise for you all, to my viewers. I recently bought this to my kitten and this is so cute.
I'm keeping my videos short and simple so that you guys can enjoy the videos frequently. Here the PPM notes, which are the principle and practice of management, are totally same as business studies notes. I found out all the things from ChatGPT, and mostly whenever I tried to link it to the Google, it was having literally complicated words. Now I have to see if it is acceptable or not, because I wrote the notes from there, and writing notes is the primary thing. So the second thing is to learn them. I have to learn these notes now. There is pretty much of time, because this paper, the IC papers are for 20 marks, so it is not like कि semester end exam है and I have to answer each paper and I'm not prepared at all. It's not like that. I need to learn this notes. I'm having my semester see, not semester, I mean the IC paper on 10th of August. So I have pretty much of time to learn this, and I hope so I will be able to complete learning all of this, because there are more subjects too, and I I want to keep PPM as the priority because it will take and it will consume my time to learn all this. And the first priority is the financial accounting. Accounting का paper भाई, the sums वो भी रिवाइज करना. Let's meet you guys in the next vlog. Until then, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can join the Puriverse family and stay tuned for the next long video. Don't forget to comment down below. Bye everyone. Take care.